Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. So, first of all, very happy Independence Day to everyone. As promised, I am here to reveal my secret way to memorize articles, section, amendment, case law, etc. etc. Whatever number, whatever year, whatever name it may be, you will be able to remember all of them. So, I do not make flashcards physically on paper etc because it is tedious, it is hard to collect them, it is hard to safe keep them, uh, they and it is hard to divide them again and again. So that is why I do not make them physically on paper. I use this app called Anki Droid. So with this app you can easily create flashcards in just 10 seconds. So firstly I'll show you how this app works. So these are some of the flashcards that I had prepared earlier. So I'll just open some for demo now. So this is how the flashcard will work. You will get a question here. So this is Satish Ragde versus State of Maharashtra. If you remember this case, it was in the news recently. So now what you need to do after looking at the question, you need to think in your mind the answer for it. So in this case I think the answer is skin to skin case. It is also known as skin to skin case. So I'll click on show answer now. So as my answer is right, I'll click on easy. Next we have Union of India versus K Najib case. So this is a case relating to UAPA bail. In this case I think the Supreme Court held that bail can be granted under fundamental rights if the period of punishment has been breached. So again as I have thought the answer, I'll check whether my answer is correct or not. If the answer is wrong, click on again. If you had a little difficulty, click on hard. If it was easy, click on good, and if it was very easy, click on 4D easy. So what are these timings here? What is 1 minute, 6 minute, 10 minute and 4 day? So if you were not able to guess the answer correctly, then you will click on again and you will get this question again after some time. So let's say you have some 100 flashcards right now. You answered 10 of them correctly and you clicked easy on them. But on the 11th question you were not able to answer it correctly. Then what you will do, you will click on again. So within 1 minute after browsing through some more flashcard, you will get it again. So this is how the app will help you remember the sections. And once you click on the other options like hard, good, based on the amount of time they'll come back again randomly, and you will have another chance to memorize them, to check whether you remember the answer now or not. So if you use this app on a regular basis, you will be able to memorize everything very easily, whether it will be section, article, amendment, case law, etc. But one thing to note is that do not use 4-day easy if you have an exam tomorrow. Use it if you are doing it long term. So this is how the flashcard system works in this app. Now coming back to how you can prepare these flashcards. So first of all, click on plus here. Click on create deck. So I'll be creating for IPC. Even though IPC is going soon, still I'll create for them. So again we can create subdecks as well. So under IPC we can create subdeck for section, we can create subdeck for case law, we can create subdeck for amendment, etc. So like this we can create subdecks as well. So this is how we can create subdeck if you want to subdivide everything. If you want to classify some flashcards as sections, some flashcard as case law, etc. But there is no flashcard in these uh, groups right now, because in these subdecks right now, because we have not created any. So now I'll go ahead and create a flashcard. So how you need to do that? You need to click on this, and then you need to click on add card or plus. Under plus also you can click on add note, and you will be able to create the flashcard. So in IPC, I guess I'll take section 299 for example. Again, there are types of cards as well. So there is basic card, there is basic and reverse card. These two will be the most useful. So basic means you'll get only one flashcard. But if you click on basic and reversed card, then you will get one question as section 299 and another question as culpable homicide. So you will get two questions. In one of them, the question will be the question, and in one of them, the question will become the answer. So this is how you can you can change the type of question as well. So I'll write here culpable homicide, and I'll click on OK. So now we can click on this, and you are getting the question. So section 299 is culpable homicide. It was very easy. Good. If I created it basic and reversed, you will get two questions, section 299 and culpable homicide. Next, I would like to show you one more thing as well. So other than this, there are some more features in this app. So this is a question, EWS case. If you remember, this was a recent judgment by the Honorable Supreme Court. But I did not want to write in detail. I was tired. I did not want to write much about this. So what I did, I directly attached a screenshot of this. So the case name is Janhit Abhiyan, 3:2 majority, 103rd constitutional amendment. So you can add, if you do not want to write as well, you can add screenshots, you can add voice recordings, etc. as well. So you can use the app in this way as well. So this is my secret way to memorizing the amendments, articles, sections, etc., whatever it may be. So I hope you like the video, you like the process, and if you have any doubts, you can you can comment on this post as well. Thank you.